Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a tricky problem that many programmers have faced at some point. The problem revolves around a potential misunderstanding of the requires clause in C++ concepts when using a specific compiler. In this case, our code snippet triggers an unexpected behavior in Clang, leading to an assertion failure at runtime. Quite a puzzling problem indeed. Now let's delve into the solution to our conundrum. It turns out that the issue we encountered is actually a bug in a specific version of Clang. By updating to a newer version, such as Clang 18 or later, the problem no longer occurs. The compiler should correctly choose the second definition of the foo function in both cases, ensuring that our code runs smoothly without any unexpected failures. In summary, we've uncovered and resolved a peculiar bug in Clang that caused an assertion failure in our C++ code. By updating to a newer version of the compiler, we can avoid this issue and ensure the correct instantiation of our functions. I hope you found this exploration of C++ quirks and compiler bugs both enlightening and entertaining. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any programming conundrums you've encountered. Until next time, happy coding!